Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I do have a brand new unboxing to share with you, and again it is a Chanel piece. This is from the 20p collection, which is the pre-spring and summer, or the Act 1. So I'll just get started. This is the packaging and of course the lovely box. I always love these boxes, so I'm just gonna get started with this fairly quickly. Okay, here is this piece. So I saw this piece and I'm just gonna get into the story after I show you what it is. And you can probably tell it is an SLG, so this is what the care guide, most likely the care guide. And then this is the pouch right here. And this is to reveal. This is the Zipyy coin purse in the Caviar leather. It is in the gold hardware. This is from the 20p collection. Here it is. So this piece is super gorgeous. It has 3 compartments in here. Mine was made in Italy, and of course it comes with the card. It has a 29 series right there, and like I said, it does have 3 compartments. It is Caviar, and the thing about this piece is that the black Caviar, the color is just so saturated in the black. This piece, for some reason, sometimes with the Chanel pieces, the black Caviar can look somewhat dull, if not plasticky, but this one is just so saturated. So when I saw this piece and the other piece, and if you haven't seen my unboxing on the other one, I will leave it, which is the red card holder in the deep lipstick red. I saw both pieces, and of course I was debating between the two which one I wanted. And so of course the red spoke to me, because it's very hard to find a red Caviar Camellia card holder at Chanel, but also it's very hard to also find a very black saturated Caviar with Chanel. So this is what the piece looks like, and I'll show you very quickly. This is the red one. They are side by side. So yes, I just couldn't pass up on it. It's just the saturation of the color just really draw me to it. It's the fact also that it is made of the Caviar, and that it's the Camellia print. I just couldn't pass up on this. This piece is just so stunning. So I'm super thrilled I have both in my collection for different purposes. I did want to find an SLG that's fairly compact, because as you probably know, I do have a lot of smaller bags, smaller handbags, and I find that the smaller SLGs work best for me. Especially I don't have a lot of cards, so that's the reason why I couldn't pass up on this. I mean, it's just a once in a while opportunity to get a very black saturated Camellia zip holder in the Caviar. So let me show you. I was just holding it. I'm looking for the what did I do? Oh, here it is. So I am going to show you the item number, because I know last time I didn't show the still picture of my item number, and I did get a request to show it. So here it is. This is the Au Porte-Monnaie 20p. So here it is. So this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, comment, and subscribe if I haven't already said that. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you next time. Bye.